Let's begin by looking at some gas properties. Atmospheric air is a mixture of gases. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the air that you breathe, and it makes up about 78.6% of the air. Oxygen makes up about 21%. Water makes up about 0.5%, whereas carbon dioxide makes up only 0.04%. The two gases that we're going to explore are oxygen and carbon dioxide, since they are important in cellular respiration. Let's look at the behavior of gases. Each gas is going to contribute to the overall atmospheric pressure of 760. A gas's contribution to the overall atmospheric pressure is called its partial pressure. There are two additional gas laws that you're going to have to learn. Dalton's law of partial pressure, and this gas law states that the partial pressure of a gas is proportional to its percentage of the total gas mixture. For example, oxygen makes up 20.9% of the total gas mixture. The atmospheric pressure for the total gas mixture is 760 millimeters of mercury. So if we take the 20.9%, which is the percentage of oxygen within the whole gas mixture, and convert that to 0.209, we can multiply that times the atmospheric pressure, which is the pressure of all the gases together, and that's 760 millimeters of mercury. When you do the math, what you come up with is 158.84 millimeters of mercury, and that is oxygen's partial pressure. You won't have to do the math itself, but if I give you an example of the numbers, you should be able to tell me whether this is correct or not. The second new law that I want you to learn is Henry's law. Henry's law states that when a gas is in contact with a liquid, the gas will dissolve in the liquid in proportion to its partial pressure and its solubility in the liquid. If you remember during the blood lecture, oxygen is transported primarily bound to the hemoglobin. Only 1.5% of oxygen is transported dissolved in the plasma. That's because oxygen doesn't dissolve well in a liquid. It has a low solubility. Carbon dioxide, on the other hand, dissolves more easily in a liquid, and therefore 10% of the carbon dioxide is transported dissolved in the plasma.